Hey, I'm Nicole with DoMyOwn.com. Let's discuss some quick and effective rodent inspection tips that are going to apply to both rats and mice. This is a way to protect your home from rodents and prevent the problem before it even starts. We're going to start by checking the exterior of the building. You want to look for any cracks, gaps, or holes around the foundation, doors, windows, and where pipes or wires might enter the structure. Trim back any overgrown shrubs or tree branches that touch the building and make sure garbage lids are tight and clean. Check for rat burrows near foundations, sheds, and fences. Smooth, clean openings usually mean the burrow is active. Inside, you're going to begin by looking for droppings. Mouse droppings are small like grains of rice, and rat droppings are usually larger and blunt like olive pits. Fresh droppings usually indicate fresh activity. Next, you want to check for gnaw marks on packaging of foods, baseboards, wires, and insulation. New gnaw marks are going to look lighter in color. You also want to listen for scratching or scurrying noises, especially at night, which can indicate that there may be rodents in your walls or ceilings. Look along baseboards for grease marks or smudge trails. These come from rodents repeatedly rubbing the same paths. In dusty areas like basements or attics, look for footprints or tail marks. Inspect hidden spots such as behind appliances, under sinks, inside cabinets, and in storage areas. Use a flashlight to look for nests of shredded paper, fabric, or insulation. And finally, inspect all food and water sources. Look for damaged food packaging, spilled grains, and leaky pipes. Remove clutter and store food in sealed containers. A good inspection helps you catch rodent problems early. Ready to DIY like a pro? DoMyOwn.com has all the pest control and lawn care products, customer service, and resources you need. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.